the 2008 Chevrolet Trailblazer. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Top features include air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, rear wipers, and power windows. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.